Babe!
Oh,
Stop!
what?
I'm making a video!
Oh.
No!
Oh, I thought you wanted me in it.
Hey guys, it's Melody and welcome back to my channel. So I'm currently in Kaohsiung, Taiwan, and I finally feel better after my fever, so I thought I would try to make a video for you guys. And it's currently Friday, so there should be a lot of people here. But I'm at Xinjuejiang, which is a shopping area slash night market in Kaohsiung. It's one of the biggest ones, and they have so much clothes. And I haven't been shopping because I've been sick the past week in Taipei, so I finally get the chance to come out and find some clothes and find some stuff to buy. I'm so excited because I love this place, and if you guys haven't ever checked out Xinjuejiang, it's like the best shopping area in Kaohsiung, in my opinion. So let's go and see what they got here. Socks.
Oh, you need to stop.
Yeah. Also, it was sprinkling a little bit, so hopefully I can get some good footage still, and hopefully it doesn't rain. Oh, they got a lot of fake Supreme too.
The fake off one.
Fake everything. Oh, I want to go in here. So this is the first store. I used to love this store. Actually, I don't see anything I like here. Fine, on to the next one. There's also a movie theater here, if you want to watch movies. Oh, and unlike at Siling, there's no like vendors in the middle of the street, so there's no like nobody's calling the cops. And it's less crowded here, but it's also probably because, I don't know, Siling is bigger than Xinjuejiang and Kaohsiung. See how much space I have here? And we walked into one of the aisles, I guess, or what would you call it? Alleyways. One of the alleyways. Hey, I feel like I got one of my bags here once. Oh, that's cool. Okay, a lot of people have asked me in my previous Xinjuejiang video where I got my gray backpack, and I'm pretty sure I got it here. So I don't know what this place is called. Oh, it's called Bobo. My Bobo. So if you guys are in Xinjuejiang, I'm pretty sure that's where I got my bag, but they don't have it anymore. Oh, we found a Champion store. Do you like that one? 1380. How come every time I want to buy something, I never find anything? Yes. Okay, I do like this jacket, but I don't know. Alright, finally found something. And this jacket is so cute. It was only $400.
$400?
400 NT. So in American, it's $12. Alright,
It's not if it's American, if it's USD.
USD. Found the Nike store, and I actually really like this. And now we found an Adidas. That is so funny. And back into Xinjuejiang. Yeah, I'm like so thirsty too. No, I don't want that. I want like a honey green tea. But I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find it in here exactly, so maybe I'll get like something else. I'm very surprised how empty it is right now because normally it's not like this.
How many times have you been?
So I don't know, like 5, over the 5 times. So much fake Supreme. And into another alley we go. You don't want to? What happened? Why not?
I don't want to buy fake stuff.
Why? Look.
This is so nice.
Justin doesn't want to buy fake Supreme stuff here. But it looks the same. It looks so real. And I don't know.
Stuff here does look, they do look like
real.
Legit.
Yeah. And I don't know, last time I was here, there wasn't that much like streetwear stuff. But it got really popular. So at Xinjuejiang, there's actually 2 sides. So there's one on this side of the street and then one on that side. And we just finished this one over there. That's where you enter. And now we're gonna go across to that one. Right there. By the McDonald's. Justin and his backpacks. Every single stop there is a backpack. Oh look, poop. Oh babe, drink. I've been so thirsty. I need this espresso tea. I feel like, do we have this?
No.
Not yet. I got super thirsty, so we stopped by Espresso Tea and I got a honey lemon, not honey lemon, a honey with aloe green tea. Hopefully it's good. And Espresso Tea is like one of the chain ones, so I don't know how good it'll be. But he let me add green tea to it. At first it was just like water, but I asked if I could change it to green tea instead. Oh, do it again. Count a bit. Hold. The heat flavor in this is so strong. The aloe toast tastes a little weird, but still good. That way. Hey look, it's your backpack. And if you keep walking, there's another alley in here.
I think there's not a lot of people here.
Because of what? Yeah, it is raining. Wow, there's so many shoes here. This is insane. I like this jacket. Okay. I mean, I just got something similar, but this yellow one, or like mustard yellow. What do you think? I didn't like that. Hello, look, it's so cute. For some reason, I feel like, okay, it's too loud. For some reason, I feel like there wasn't as much stuff this time as there was last time. This way. So, I don't know what's going on. but at least I got something. It's just, I don't know what's going on this time. I guess that is it for my Xinjuejiang video. I'm sorry there wasn't more stuff. I could have sworn in my previous video there was so much stuff and a lot more people. I have no answers for you guys why there's not as much stuff as last time or the previous times I've ever been here. But hopefully I'll have a sling video or a uhampu video or a ximending video and I'll post that for you guys. And hopefully it'll be better. I think I'll have more stuff there. So thank you guys for watching today's video and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye. Say bye. Now we're walking home now.